Hello and welcome to the Cricket Next YouTube channel. My name is Kanav Bali and we are here with a very interesting discussion and this is about हार्दिक पांड्या. आई वांटेड टू से कैप्टन हार्दिक पांड्या बट बीसीसीआई ने कल जो टीम अनाउंस करी है उसमें सूर्य कुमार यादव को इंडिया का अगला टी20 कैप्टन बना दिया. हार्दिक पांड्या वाज इन लाइन after Rohit Sharma. He was supposed to be the captain. That is what the fans believed at least. Since he was the one leading the side in the absence of Rohit in the last 1 year when Rohit decided not to play T20Is for a year, it was touted that he will be the next T20 captain. But सूर्य कुमार यादव को वो कैप्टन बना दिया गया. अब हार्दिक पांड्या के लिए फ्यूचर में क्या है? Will he ever be the captain? Will he ever be able to lead the Indian side? Yeah, Indian team is looking towards the youngster with Shubman Gill as vice captain. I have with me Jamie Alter to talk more about this. Hi Jamie, thank you so much for connecting with us. A straight question: what does future hold in store for Hardik Pandya? Do you ever see him leading an Indian side, especially when we have now Shubman Gill as the next as the vice captain and probably the next captain?
Yeah, Kanav, hi. पता नहीं यार, it's a strange one, right? I think we have to look at the future. We have to sort of look behind, right? After the debacle of the 2022 T20 World Cup, for literally 15, I think almost 16 months, Kanav, Rohit Sharma और विराट कोहली और केएल राहुल, ये T20 जो तीन सीनियर प्लेयर थे, दो ओपनर, एक नंबर 3, ये 15-16 महीने तक T20 फॉर्मेट से बाहर थे, right? We've done shows. I mean, we've all heard things सूत्रों के अनुसार. Who knows? But the point is, in those 15 months, Hardik Pandya led them in, I believe, at least 4 series, right? Um, उसमें से, I think the only New Zealand was a washout. Jo chodo. The point is,
Yeah.
the man who was India's premier white ball all rounder was given the job. Yes, I think he won 2 and he lost 1. Jo bhi tha, but he was the man. Okay, then out of the blue, like we discussed on Cricket Next, हमारे viewers बिल्कुल इस बात से सहमत होंगे. अचानक जैन के महीने में Rohit Sharma comes back, Hardik Pandya gets sidelined. He was already sidelined, but he was the vice captain. So the man who's leading you in T20s and who's the ODI World Cup vice captain, जब वो injured हो गए थे, तो Sky led in back-to-back series. Sky led in Australia, just after against Australia, और फिर Sky led in South Africa, right? अब उसके बाद Sky भी injured. So there's so many pieces. Do we have enough evidence to suggest, Kanav, कि Hardik Pandya was always going to get the job again? I'm not so sure. Do we have enough evidence that BCI had moved on to Sky? Again, just 2 series. To my mind, it was always going to be one of these two to lead the team in Sri Lanka once Rohit let go. Now,
Yeah.
personal problems have been a major part of Hardik Pandya's life in the last 6 months. He's dealt with a lot of stuff. He's risen above it. But अभी क्या है? इत्तेफाक की बात है. You tell me. इत्तेफाक की बात है कि क्या जिस दिन स्क्वाड अनाउंस होता है उसी दिन Hardik Pandya's divorce is confirmed. The man has gone through a lot. Did Gautam Gambhir, Ajit Agarkar, did they look at his history of fitness issues? Did they look at his terrible IPL? Did they overlook his outstanding World Cup? Did they factor in his workload management? Did they factor in personal problems? I don't know, Kana, but I'm willing to say probably all these factors led to Hardik Pandya not being given. दूसरी बात, ना सिर्फ उनसे वनडे कैप्टनसी, आई वुड यूज द वर्ड छीनी गई क्योंकि स्काई तो थे ही पहले से, वो नहीं, ऊपर से वाइस कैप्टनसी इज गॉन टू शुभमन गिल. So if we look at it, it signals on many levels the era of Gautam Gambhir taking over. But like I said in yesterday's live stream, I don't look at these vice captain tags very seriously. अगला T20 सीरीज अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूं शायद अक्टूबर में होगा against New Zealand, I believe. We might see someone else. So yes, I get it when you ask me कि क्या future bleak है उनके लिए, है as far as captaincy goes. But then again, BCI is so fickle. यार हम captain और vice captains इतनी बार बदलते हैं. I'm honestly at a loss of words से हाँ उनके लिए captaincy का रास्ता बंद हो चुका है. It's a very confusing start to Gautam Gambhir's tenure. यार.
Absolutely. And with all this, Jamie, do you think maybe there's a plan from maybe GG or BCCI to induct हार्दिक पांड्या slowly into टेस्ट क्रिकेट, बैक इनटू टेस्ट क्रिकेट के WTC फाइनल के लिए या ओवरसीज, नॉट इंडियन ऑन इंडियन पिचेस जहां पे इंजरी प्रोन क्यों करना, ओवरसीज टेस्ट सीरीज के लिए हार्दिक पांड्या का अगर हम कैप्टनसी का वर्कलोड हटा दें और उनकी बॉडी को तैयार कर करके धीरे धीरे, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अ फास्ट बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर इन टेस्ट क्रिकेट एंड वी नीड a bowler, fast bowling all-rounder overseas badly. तो ये क्या एक प्लानिंग हो सकती है कि हार्दिक पांड्या को धीरे धीरे, ही इज यंग, ही इज नॉट दैट ओल्ड, अभी काफी एज है उनकी साइड पर, फिटनेस इशू है, लेकिन टचवुड है, बहुत टाइम से फिट रहे हैं, फ्रीक इंजरीज हुई हैं, बैक की प्रॉब्लम वापस नहीं आई है. डू यू थिंक दिस कुड बी अ प्लान, और दिस इज अ गुड प्लान टू हैव हार्दिक पांड्या एटलीस्ट फॉर ओवरसीज टेस्ट सीरीज?
Yeah, Kanav, I would be very, very surprised if someone who had to give up red ball cricket 6 years ago, citing workload and fitness, to now suddenly come back. You tell me, do we want Hardik Pandya, जो कि जब चलते हैं तो इंडिया के सबसे बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर है? Do you want him winning you a Champions Trophy in 6 months? Do you want him, being around for that 2007 World Cup, right? Just like I said with Sahil yesterday about Jasprit Bumrah. T20 World Cup हो गया, कोई नहीं. Get Hardik Pandya, who is your best, your most valuable cricketer. Get him in best shape to win you the IC trophies you've not won. Champions Trophy, ODI and WTC. पर जिस इंसान ने, हार्दिक पांड्या ने, दिसंबर 2018 से बड़ौदा के लिए एक भी रेड बॉल मैच नहीं खेला, suddenly you want him again. India has won the last 2 test series in Australia without Hardik Pandya, right? India has gotten to 2 WTC finals in 4 years without Hardik Pandya. तो अभी हार्दिक पांड्या की जरूरत क्या है, right? Is he suddenly going to come and work wonders? You think he'll come and take 10 wickets? Is he Gus Atkinson? नहीं होगा. I don't subscribe at all to this theory. And if खुदा ना खास्ता ये सेलेक्टर और ये कोच सोच रहे हैं कि सिर्फ एक ओवरसीज टेस्ट मैच लिए, फाइनल के लिए हार्दिक पांड्या चाहिए, it's not going to work. इतनी बड़ी चीज नहीं है वो. जब सचिन तेंदुलकर को लेके ऐसा वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट कभी नहीं किया गया था, जब धोनी को नहीं किया गया था, जब कुंबले को नहीं किया गया, तो हार्दिक पांड्या क्या चीज है? Why are we even discussing him for WTC? The man himself said, I cannot play red ball cricket. Now, so again, I would much rather have him in full shape. And this is why I think maybe Kanav, शायद इसीलिए उनको T20 कैप्टनसी नहीं दी गई, because they know he has to be wrapped in cotton wool. I put him and Jasprit Bumrah in the same category कि इतने इंजरी प्रोन है और आने वाले 6 महीने में चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी है. T20 World Cup is still, 26. So Sky to my mind will never play tests again. I don't see Sky personally as a one-day player. Sky is a rare only T20I player. It makes sense to make him. He's not, I मानता हूँ उनको एक groin injury हुई थी, but he's not injury prone. Probably they're looking at the most stable T20 player. Hardik Pandya is actually more vital to my mind in ODIs than in T20s. So maybe that's why they've gone for. But again, until BCI holds a press conference and one of us asks the question, जवाब तो हमें नहीं मिलेगा.
That seems like a dream right now to have a press conference after a team is announced. World Cup के लिए हुआ था आखिरी, but you see Hardik Pandya missing T20I matches in the next 2 years, especially in the next 1 year since his Champions Trophy. So you see कि वो इतना T20 नहीं खेलेंगे, and that is the reason सूर्य कुमार यादव को कैप्टन बनाया गया.
I would say yes, if the BCI, Gautam Gambhir, Agarkar, Rohit Sharma, if they're serious about winning the Champions Trophy and then building a team for 27 one day, then definitely I think, because देखो T20 World Cup हम जीत चुके हैं, अभी तक वो जश्न मनाया जा रहा है. The Indian fan is still very, very happy, right? But the point is, we have to move on, right? T20 World Cup 2 साल बाद हम देख लेंगे. उससे पहले एक WTC है और एक Champions Trophy. So I would believe they're making players keep shape for those two.
Yeah, and hopefully we are thinking कि हार्दिक पांड्या से डिस्कस किया गया हो कि we have a plan in mind for you, and that is the reason आपको कैप्टनसी नहीं दी है, and
Correct.
he is okay with it. Because what if Hardik Pandya is not happy with the decision कि I was supposed to be the captain, I can handle my body, I can lead in T20Is, play T20I matches. So do you see this also becoming a problem if Hardik Pandya is not on board with this plan?
Absolutely. And again, until someone speaks about it, it is pure speculation. इसमें मैं कह रहा हूँ, क्या इत्तेफाक की बात एक्चुअली है कि जिस दिन उनसे T20 के अगेन नॉट छीनी गई, जिस दिन वो T20 और ODI स्क्वाड्स में किसी भी लेवल के लीडर नहीं बने, literally a couple hours his divorce was finalized. Did the BCI know it's coming, or was it Hardik Pandya and his lawyers? Was it their reaction? Again, I don't know. It's very easy for us to put 2 and 2 together and come to 22, right? But like you said, I'm assuming a dialogue हुआ होगा. He's too big a player to not have a dialogue, right? He's India's best all-rounder when fit. He's just come off a fantastic T20 World Cup. He's very important in the IPL circles. I am sure a dialogue was had. और यदि वो comfortable nahi the. I'm sure knowing him, he would have had a say. So and I just wish him all the best because I was wrong about him during the IPL. I said I wouldn't take him to the World Cup. He was invaluable there, and when he's invaluable, all we can do is praise the man. So any other player, probably the discussion would have been either bypassed, kind of, or had
Yeah.
very short term discussion. But I think with him, again, he might not like it, but he knows he's a bigger player. He's probably had to move on from that. So I wouldn't look too much into it yet.
Yeah. And lastly, if you have to create a sort of a short roadmap for Hardik Pandya in future in the next 2 years, format wise, what would you tell Hardik Pandya? What to play, what not to play? What would be ideal for Hardik Pandya in your sense?
Yeah, again, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी इज द नेक्स्ट बिग आईसीसी ट्रॉफी. नहीं जीत चुके हम इसको बहुत. कब जीते आखिरी बार? 13 में, राइट?
तेरा
तो मतलब जब शुरू होगा इट विल बी द 12th ईयर विदाउट दैट ट्रॉफी. बीच में ज्यादा नहीं हुआ, 17 में हम लोग फाइनल तक पहुंचे.
एक ही हुआ.
उसके बाद
एक ही हुआ.
एक एग्जैक्टली. सो अगेन आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट ये वर्ल्ड कप के बराबर या डब्ल्यूटीसी के बराबर ट्रॉफी है, लेकिन है तो आईसीसी ट्रॉफी. It's still more important than Asia
Yeah.
Cup and all these bilaterals. I would want Hardik Pandya, based on how good he's been in Sri Lanka in the Asia Cup, how it was in the World Cup. I would want our best all-rounder fit and fine. Again, you don't need to look down the line. Just look as far as Feb. I think
Yeah.
Feb में series शुरू होगी. हमारे matches most likely दुबई में होंगे, यूएई में होंगे. What do you need to do to get Hardik Pandya fit for that? I don't look. जिस बंदे ने domestic नहीं खेला इतने साल से, he's not going to play for Baroda. Okay? He's not
Yeah.
going to play any zonal cricket. He's not going to come in the test team, right? He's not going to play against Bangladesh. He's not going to play against New Zealand. He's not going to go to Australia, right? So logically, he's getting enough breaks. और उस बीच, if I'm not mistaken, इन 3 T20s के बाद, there's 3 T20s in October against
न्यूजीलैंड.
New Zealand, right? तो
न्यूजीलैंड और
अगले
बांग्लादेश.
6, करेक्ट, हाँ, जो भी अगले 6 महीने में, starting from this week, the guy has 3 matches to play for India.
Yeah.
खेलो, right? It's a test heavy season, और ये इंसान टेस्ट फैक्ट्री में है नहीं, तो I think he's got one of the easiest jobs out there right now, yeah.
But do you think lack of cricket will also impact him before the Champions Trophy? अगली ODI series इंग्लैंड के साथ है 3 ODIs बस. So
हाँ, तो he'll have to play those, right? Because he's, again, according to BCCI, इस पे कोई comment नहीं आया कर, you know, बस ये बोला गया था Hardik Pandya has made himself unavailable on the day where, unfortunately, and I feel bad for him, his ex-wife and that son Agastya, who must be a little child, that's a big family step that's been taken, a divorce. The divorce has been confirmed on the same day. The BCCI claims he's been left out for personal reasons, so we have to respect that. We have to wish that actually was a factor. Baki ab, I just don't see him coming back for test. Or यदि वो overseas test के scheme में है, do you think they'll throw him into Australia series? नहीं. आप हैट्रिक पे खड़े हो. आप वहां गए हो जो कोई भी एशियन टीम नहीं गई है. आप इकलौती टीम हो जो 2 बार वहां जीत चुके हो, और तभी हार्दिक पांड्या का तो नामो निशान नहीं था, right? So do you need him? I don't think Gautam Gambhir is that foolish to take a guy who's going to be so important in Feb for 5 test matches to Australia. Nahin. You tell me, will Hardik Pandya gain more from playing 5 test matches or having a good Champions Trophy? Socho, if he has 50% of the Champions Trophy the guy just had in the West Indies, trophy apni hai bhai.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. If you need Hardik in white ball, you need to keep him away from the red ball. It is as simple as that because he is injury prone. We can't do anything about it. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see future कैसा है हार्दिक पांड्या का, क्या खेलता है, क्योंकि गंभीर also believes if you can play all 3 formats, so वो भी एक फैक्टर हो सकता है. So you never know. But as of now, very good discussion. Thank you so much, Jamie, for connecting with us and giving us some amazing insights into Hardik Pandya's future, what can happen. And thank you so much to all our viewers. आपके मन में कोई भी सवाल हो हार्दिक पांड्या को लेके, प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर पूछिएगा. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए and subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel. Thank you.